Before asking the children to open their books and after exchanging greetings with them, you will construct an introduction that is well related to the theme of the text. Whereas you should always keep trying to create and construct your own, the following introduction is suggested. Ask the children, do you like to have fun? इस सवाल के जवाब में ऑनरेबल टीचर ऑब्वियसली बच्चे सब यस में जवाब देंगे, because they know what the word fun means. Do you like to have parties? Yes, again, the answer will be in yes. And then your question will be, which is the best party of the year you always wait for? Children are likely to answer this question again in yes, because they know and understand and have the experience that their birthday party is probably the best party they keep waiting for the whole year. Have the children's responses and lead them to the birthday party every child waits for. Tell the children that they are going to read the story of a child's birthday party.